Authentic German apple strudel recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Germany. Guten Tag. Welcome to our channel, where we're going to indulge in the sweet flavors of Germany. Today, we're thrilled to share with you the secrets of making an authentic German apple strudel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Germany. To create this delectable German apple strudel, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 4 to 5 large apples, preferably tart varieties like Granny Smith, peeled, cored, and thinly sliced. 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup finely chopped walnuts or almonds, optional. 1/4 cup raisins, optional. 1/2 cup melted butter, 10 to 12 sheets of phyllo pastry, store-bought or homemade, powdered sugar. For dusting, vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. For serving, optional. Now, let's experience the flavors of Germany. Step 1. In a large bowl, combine the thinly sliced apples with granulated sugar and ground cinnamon. Toss the apples gently to coat them evenly with the sweet and fragrant mixture. Step 2. Sprinkle the breadcrumbs over the apple mixture. The breadcrumbs will absorb excess moisture from the apples, preventing a soggy pastry. If you like, add the chopped walnuts or almonds and raisins for extra texture and flavor. Step 3. Lay out 1 sheet of phyllo pastry on a clean surface and brush it generously with melted butter. Repeat this step with each phyllo sheet, stacking them on top of each other to create a buttery and flaky pastry. Step 4. Spoon the apple filling along the bottom third of the phyllo pastry, leaving a border of about 2 inches on the sides. This will make it easier to fold and roll the strudel. Step 5. Carefully fold the sides of the phyllo pastry over the apple filling. Then, starting from the bottom, gently roll the phyllo to create a neat and compact strudel. Step 6. Transfer the rolled strudel onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Brush the top with more melted butter, which will give the strudel a beautiful golden color while baking. Step 7. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Bake the German apple strudel for about 30 to 35 minutes or until it turns golden and crispy. Step 8. Once the German apple strudel is out of the oven, let it cool slightly before dusting it with powdered sugar. This sweet and decorative touch adds an irresistible charm to the strudel. And there you have it. German apple strudel, a delightful and flavorful dessert that represents the authentic tastes of Germany. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this sweet journey to Germany. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic German apple strudel. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, guten Appetit and happy baking!